Pwede bang mag-cancel ng insurance within 15 days? Yes po. Ang tawag po dyan ay cooling off period or free look period. Lahat po ng insurance companies in the Philippines, nire-require po yan ng Insurance Commission to provide cooling off period or yung tinatawag na free look period. Ito po yung 15 days from the time na natanggap mo yung policy when you applied for a life insurance contract. From that time na natanggap mo yung policy, 15 days, yan po yung time na pwede ka pang mag-cancel ng insurance mo for whatsoever reasons. Maybe hindi mo nagustuhan talaga yung policy or you have decided for a different priority. Kahit ano pa po yung rason mo, it will be valid basta po isurrender mo yung policy contract. So you just have to go to the insurance company, kausapin mo yung agent mo, yung branch, yung office, and just accomplish the form. Usually, it's a cooling off period form. So, para masignify mo na gusto mong ibalik yung insurance policy na kinuha mo. So, ito po, very common. Marami po ako nakikitang mga clients na nababalitaan ko, hindi daw nila alam yung 15 days cooling off period, and even though gusto na nilang i-cancel yung contract, hindi nila nagawa. There are some cases naman na sinasabihan daw ng agent na bawal daw po itong gawin. Pero ang katotohanan po, it is the policy owner's right to surrender the contract within 15 days. So, ang isang question po dito na related is, counted po ba yung email as a form of policy delivery, no? Meaning, mag-start na ba yung 15 days? Depende po yan dun sa policy contract na pinag-agrihan mo. Some policies kasi ngayon, nag-auto-send na lang po ng e-policy acknowledgement receipt. Meaning, kapag yun po yung pinag-agrihan ng kliyente, okay lang po, mag-start na po doon yung 15 days. So, please be aware about the 15-day cooling off period. Pwede nyo pong ibalik kung hindi nyo po talaga nagustuhan. Pero ang suggestion ko lang, since bago kayo kumuha, kailangan na pag-aralan nyo na po ng mabuti and talagang nabusisi nyo na yung mismong policy para hindi rin po kayo magkaroon ng change of minds. Pero again, kung gusto nyo po talagang ibalik within 15 days, pwede nyo pong gawin. So yun lang po, this is Master FA, follow for more.